This morning in Louisiana, the rush to get ready for Ida. Gas lines growing, food disappearing, and communities left scrambling.
Like deja vu, you know what I mean?
New video from Cuba offers a glimpse at the fast-moving storm, lashing the island with high winds and heavy rain. The real danger coming as Ida returns to the Gulf, where warmer waters could make it even stronger.
We now believe that there is a strong likelihood that this will be a Category 4 hurricane at landfall. That's how quickly the storm is developing.
The weather crisis comes as Louisiana hospitals face a flood of COVID patients, with the governor urging everyone to get vaccinated.
The fact that we're still in a pandemic makes this much more difficult for everyone, but the pandemic isn't going to leave just because it's more inconvenient.
Equally daunting, a storm churning towards the coast so fast, mandatory evacuations from New Orleans are now out of the question.
The city cannot issue a mandatory evacuation because we don't have the time.
This weekend's preseason Saints versus Cardinals game canceled as the New Orleans team makes plans to evacuate to Dallas ahead of the storm. To the west in Lake Charles, Crystal Fogelman just can't take another storm.
We've been through Rita, Hurricane Ike, and then Laura and Delta.
After losing her home to Hurricane Laura a year ago, she and her family now call this trailer home. Everyone praying Ida steers clear.
We've been watching it, and trying to get, plans in action. But, you're still on the edge of the seat like, okay, what is this thing going to do?
And if Ida maintains its current speed, it'll arrive here in Louisiana on late Sunday, August 29th, exactly 16 years to the day after another hurricane named Katrina. Peter, Morgan.
That's right. Morgan Chesky for us there in Louisiana. Morgan, thank you.
Yeah, New Orleans unable to catch a break. The big question right now, when and where Ida will hit. Samara Theodore from our station WRC is tracking the storm's path. She's in for Dylan this morning. Samara, good morning.
Good morning, Peter. Good morning to our friends at home. Yes, right now the clock is on, okay? So Ida is currently left Cuba and it's hitting open waters into the Gulf of Mexico, moving to the northwest at 16 miles per hour, 80 mile per hour wind gusts. So I know this is a Cat 1, but we're about to experience some rapid intensification. This is going to happen very fast, my friends. Sunday at 1 a.m., notice where it's located. Still out at sea, and you may be thinking, okay, overnight, I've got a little time. Maybe I should finish my preparations, leave as we head into tomorrow morning, because it looks like it's making landfall tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening as a Category 4 storm. However, the effects are going to be far-reaching. It's going to feel like tropical storm conditions as we head through the overnight hours. So I can't stress enough. Sleep in your safe space by Saturday night. Tonight is when you need to be where you're going to be sleeping. Beyond that, as we head into the week ahead, the remnants will then push through the Tennessee, Ohio Valley, bringing them copious amounts of rain. Now, here are the impacts that we are expecting. Storm surge along the Louisiana coastline, specifically near Grand Isle. We could be looking at 10 to 15 feet. Where Louisiana meets Mississippi, 7 to 11 feet of storm surge. This is widespread inundation, okay, my friends? Rainfall totals uniformly in southern Louisiana, 10 inches of rain. But look at that. We could see as high as 20 inches of rain. We're talking previously saturated grounds there. You throw in the fact that the root system is very loose, and then you tack on with that wind gusts upwards of 116 miles per hour out in Houma. We could see some mile-per-hour winds as high as 50 miles per hour in New Orleans. That means lots of power outages and down trees. So please be safe. No need to panic, but we do need to prepare. Peter?
All right, Samara Theodore, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.